Born again virgin, so tight you need searching.
Watch no face, make no more pardon. Enough drugs, money they are cherry garden. Enough individual society applauding. You can ask anybody where they make them starting. But no politician take his donation. So no criminal will never see a station. Never see a cell, not even a courthouse. But every Sunday we see them take a boat out. Not post resort and car dealership. The construction company them just don't legit. Usually watch the money turn around and hide it. When the kickback them come in, the government delighted. So police cancel operation. As no real bad man of a nation. Now if you take it situation, our blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really better.